In the bustling city of Beijing, a dedicated hotline keeps residents and visitors connected, offering immediate assistance for non-emergency issues around the clock. The 12345 Citizens Hotline is transforming how the city communicates with its people, ensuring everyone's concerns are heard and addressed promptly. In this report, our reporter Marlon Samuels tells us more about Beijing's 12345 Citizen Hotline that serves both residents and visitors.
Launched to improve urban management, the 12345 Citizens Hotline is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whether you're a local or a visitor, simply dial 12345 within Beijing. If you are outside the city, call +8610 12345. The hotline offers multilingual support in English, French, Spanish, Russian, and more. If you don't speak Chinese, operators can transfer your call to a foreign language representative, ensuring clear communication. The hotline helps with a variety of issues, providing information on city policies, resolving public service problems like water or power outages, addressing consumer rights, handling disputes, and guiding visitors and residents on everyday questions.
Since 2024, every day they received calls and online complaints, more than 70,000, and the answer rate is above 99%, and the response rate and satisfied rate are both over 97%.
That was a story about a bad experience in a restaurant. I invited some of my friends to have lunch, but we didn't receive the good service, and the food was bad. So after that, I feel very awkward, and I think I need to find someone to make a complaint. Therefore, I call 12345. I think this is the municipal hotline. As a citizen of Beijing, I have to tell my story. So surprisingly, they used one afternoon to check the whole story with the specific restaurant, and they have communicated. In the evening, I received a call from the restaurant. We coordinated, and they made a reimbursement of my lunch fee. So 12345 is a hotline for the citizen living here in Beijing. It's very effective and it works.
Countries like Jamaica can learn from Beijing's example by establishing their own 24/7 citizen service hotlines. Implementing a multilingual, accessible platform helps improve government responsiveness, enhances transparency, and ensure that both residents and visitors receive timely assistance for non-emergency issues.
So through this kind of mechanism, 12345, they can respond quickly of the needs of the people and serve better the people. And also they can offer a better decision, a reasonable decision for the department and the government. So that is very useful for the government of the city.
The hotline 12345 at first is an initiative made by the mayor of Beijing. Later, people are used to call the number so they can be heard by the local government. It is very effective, and it depends on the willingness of the exchange of information between the local government and the citizens, as well as enough funds and personnel which are devoted to this service.
So whether you're living in Beijing or just visiting, remember to dial 12345 for multilingual support for a better citizens experience. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels from the Beijing Citizens Hotline Center.